Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. It is not asking for the password, no, student? Students, when you were trying to join, it was asking for the password.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me give it. Password is 8888.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Sir, you are muted.
Good morning, sir.
Hello. I'm audible now?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No. Now you are audible.
Hi, students. We have started.
Good morning, sir.
We have started last time Python, right? Few things I told you. This time we are going to deal with data types in Python, right? So you are requested to open page number 91. Page number 91. Everyone, please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera, beta. Everyone. It happens in class also that you are coming to the class and just you have hide your face. It happens in the class. You used to cover your face. Never, na?
No, sir.
Have to be face to face to know, to understand the things in a better way. So switch on your camera, everyone. So today I am going to start with data types in Python, right? There are mainly three types of data we can use in Python. These are integer, float, and string, right? Integer. What is this integer? This is for the whole numbers, right? These are whole numbers. Whenever we are going to work with plain integers means the direct numbers we are going to work with it, then we use integer, right? Integer can be divided into so many parts like plain integer, long integer, and boolean. These all I told you in my video. Plain integers, that is only for the plain values. Who said array? Huh? Now beta, switch off your audio, right? Then long integer, suppose if we want to save integers, but we know that in advance its value will increase more than the plain integers. Then we use long integer where large number of data we have to put. Next is a boolean. Boolean means wherever true false case is given, whether you will be present in the school or class or absent. It may never happen that you are absent with present or presently you are absent. Alankita, what happened? Who is disturbing you? Alankita.
Sir, my brother.
Okay, tell him my name.
Yes, sir, I have told him.
Okay. So Boolean is true and false. Whenever we are going to use true false fields, means out of two, we have to choose only a single value, then we use Boolean. Next is float. Float is what? Where floating point values, means decimal values we are going to put, then we use our floating one. And the second is string. These int and float, integer and float, they both use for the numbers, while your string, it is for the character. The difference between numbers and characters is that numbers we used to put directly, right? Because they take part in calculation, while your string, they are always written in single or double quote. Single or double quote, because they are fixed quantities and they cannot take part in any type of calculation. Is it clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. Now we are moving towards few functions. As I told you in the video also, there are so many functions. With that functions we used to work in Python, right? Type function. What is type function? Type function actually, it gives whatever data we are providing. With the help of type function, we are returning the data type of a value, means what type of data it is. Suppose I have written 10, it will return us integer. I have written a name, it will give us as string, right? And next is your input function. That input function, whatever the things you want to put inside in your computer as a raw data, then we use input statement. Clear? I will show you the way how we are using it. The same, it has been given in the video also, right? Next we will move towards the operators. First of all, we have to know operators. What operator is? Actually, operators, the name is suggesting operators, the thing which is going to operate something. The thing which is going to operate something, they are known as operators. Similarly, here we use the operators which are used to perform different operations. Different operations, it may be calculations, it may be comparisons, anything it may be. Am I right? It may be anything. Not audible. I'm not.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Sir, you are audible, sir.
audible, na?
Sir, you are
Hello? Hello?
yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are audible.
Okay. So
Yes, sir, you are
operators.
audible, sir.
Okay. Switch off your audio, please. So what I am going to tell, operators, they are mainly used to perform different operations. Operations may be arithmetical, relational, and logical. What are these type of operations? Arithmetical operations where we are going to make calculations with the data. Wherever calculation is going to take place, that is known as what type of data? What type of calculation or what type of operator we are using? We are using arithmetic operators, right? Like I'm going to add 10 plus 20. This is what?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic, right? So this is arithmetic type of data where operator, where using plus sign we are just going to make addition of numbers, right? If we talk about the arithmetic operators, they may be plus, minus, divide, multiply. These two we are knowing. Plus, minus, divide, and multiply. These four. Apart from these four, your double slash, it gives the result in integer form when divided by any number. Means it's a case of divide. Single divide directly divides the number. Double slash means it will divide and give the result in the form of integers, right? Next, percentage sign. Percentage, actually it is modulus. Modulus means whenever we are going to divide numbers, remainder we are getting. It gives the remainder. Suppose 5 divided by 2. What is the remainder?
So 0.
Very good. Absolutely wrong also. Who said this?
1.
1.
So 1.
Yes, 1 is right. So 5 divided by 2, it will give 1 as the remainder. So it will, modulus will print number as your remainder. Next, exponential. Exponentials mean maths में आपने पढ़ा. Exponent means power. Suppose I want to find out the power of any number. Suppose I said 2 to the power 4. 2 की power 4. What is the value of this one? Udit.
So 2
16.
multiplied 4 times.
2 multiplied 4 times. So Udit,
4
what is the
times.
value? Udit.
16.
Huh?
16.
32.
32. Who said? Udit. Who said 32? Absolutely right. The banda. Who said? Atma Prakash, you said, no?
Yes, sir.
That is absolutely wrong, beta. 2 to the power 4 is 16.
16.
हाँ,
16.
जब मैंने बोला एकदम राइट है तो खुश हो गया था ना. चलो, खैर, this is arithmetical operators. If we talk about the second type of operator, relational operators. What relational operator is? Wherever the relation between two data we are going to make, then we use relational operator. What we use? Relational operator. Like less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, then greater than, equal to, and less than, equal to. 6 relational operators are there. We can compare numbers, right? If number A and B is there, it can be, we can check in 2 ways. A is greater than B or A is less than B, means greater and less. 2 relational operator we got. Or we can check A is greater than, equal to B or A is less than, equal to B. Again 2 relational operators, means 4. At present we got 4. Then A equal to B. Fifth one, A is not equal to B. Not, wherever we are going to use not, that is डबल इक्वल टू, नॉट लिख के कट करना नहीं होता इसमें, डबल इक्वल टू साइन इफ यू आर गोइंग टू पुट इट विल बिकम नॉट इक्वल टू. Is it clear? Relational.
Yes, sir.
Next we will talk about the logical operators. Only three logics will be there: and, or, and not. I am explaining it. Try to understand the thing. I am going to explain it with a general example. Suppose your teacher is in the class. In the class, by chance, there is no chalk. Then teacher will ask for the chalk, and on the floor, if no maid is there, no supporting staff is there, then the teacher will ask the student, please tell it to the supportive staff to provide this. It happens. In that case, how we are going to use logical operator, that we are going to see, right? In that case, I will say that suppose Nimisha and Harshita go and tell it to the supportive staff to provide the chalk. Nimisha and Harshita, this is a logic, means both of you have to go for arranging the chalk, and means both of you. Is it clear? And operator means whenever we are going to use and operator, means both the conditions has to be satisfied. Clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
बेटा इसीलिए बोल रहा हूं,
Yes, sir.
switch on your camera so that what I will tell you, sometimes you can seeing your face, the face of the person, you can understand the things in a better way. अगर फेस टू फेस कन्वर्सेशन नहीं होता तो फिजिकल क्लास होती ही नहीं कभी भी. सो प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा एवरीवन. आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग एवरीवन टू स्विच ऑन द कैमरा. So many are with their camera in a switched off position. Please switch on your camera. Ved Singh, Udit, Nishta, Tejas, Yuvraj, Yasi, Nikhil, Rishabh, please switch on your camera.
कर तो दिया.
सारे लोग ऑन
It's
कीजिए.
called oh sorry, audio on हो गई.
ऑडियो बंद रखिए, कैमरा ऑन कीजिए. So, and is clear to everyone? And is clear? And is used when
Yes, sir.
both the condition has to be satisfied. जब हमको दोनों कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करना है तब हम एंड ऑपरेटर यूज करते हैं. इज इट? नेक्स्ट हम वी आर गोइंग टू
Yes,
टॉक
sir.
अबाउट और मीन्स या. राइट? सपोज आई सेड आत्म प्रकाश और श्वेता उपाध्याय, आइदर मीन्स श्वेता उपाध्याय और आत्म प्रकाश हैज टू गो आउट ऑफ द क्लास एंड have water for you, means either of the two has to be satisfied. अगर श्वेता जाएगी तो आत्म प्रकाश नहीं जाएगा, because I used or condition, right? Or means either of two. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, and we got or we got. Next, the third one is our not. I said Pari, not Ved, will go out. मतलब both the conditions को satisfy करना ही नहीं है, दोनों के दोनों क्लास में से बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. नॉट कहाँ यूज होता है? जब किसी भी कंडीशन को satisfy नहीं करना है. Neither of the two has to be satisfied. That is not operator. Is it clear? And, or, and not.
Sir, not when
not one. Suppose your mother has told, Alankita, I am telling, listen. Your mother has told,
Yes, sir.
it's Corona period. Neither you nor your brother will go out. Means दोनों में से किसी को नहीं जाना
Yes,
है.
sir.
Nor means, not means कोई भी नहीं. Means अगर हम दो कंडीशन रख
Yes,
रहे हैं
sir.
तो कोई भी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रही तो नॉट का केस है. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, how we are going to use our operators? What is the criteria of using the operators? मान लीजिए हमको प्लस माइनस डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई सब यूज करना है. How it is going to be used? As in the case of mass, mod mass is there. If bracket is not there, then what to do? Divide, multiply, add and subtract we used to follow. As per that we are getting the
Yes,
result.
sir.
In the same case, how the precedence of operators are there. Python में operators या computers में operators कैसे use होते हैं? सबसे पहले हमारा parenthesis use होता है. Parenthesis, that is bracket, right? पहले सबसे bracket open होता है, जैसे मैथ्स में होता है. Open होने के बाद in our Python और computers पहले हम पावर निकालते हैं. अगर कोई भी कैलकुलेशन दिया हुआ है उसमें कहीं पावर यूज हुआ है तो पावर पहले सॉल्व होगा. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द पावर, देन व्हाट टू डू? एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स, दीज ऑल. सबसे पहला हमारा पैरेंथेसिस यूज होता है. राइट? नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स the third one is control structure. Control. What is control? Control
So
is
CTRL.
Wow, beta, control. I'm not asking about control key.
Sir, on keyboard.
I'm not asking about.
Yes, sir. I was telling the key.
No. Control means how we are going to control the programming. Right? जैसे मान लीजिए आपके पेरेंट्स भी कहते हैं बेटा you are going to get a good gift, a gift when you are going, you are supposed to
पेपर
get.
चलो बैठे
कौन बोल रहा है? किसका ऑन है?
बोले काम है इंसान.
किसका ऑन है?
बताओ.
घर की आवाज आ रही है बेटा. किसी के घर की आवाज आ रही है बेटा. घर में लोग बात कर रहे हैं, आवाज आ रही है. प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर ऑडियो. आरुष सिंह, स्विच ऑफ योर ऑडियो. आरुष. So we are going to talk about control structure. Control structure which is going to take control over the program. As in the case, parent they used to say, beta, if you are going to achieve 95+%, I will provide you a gift. A condition is there. You will receive a gift from your parents when 95+% you are getting. 94.9, the parent will say that 0.1 is less thereover. Means you are not going to get your gift. So what I used to say, control statement, it keeps a control on the program, right? And control statements, control is conditional and unconditional. अभी मैं वो गिफ्ट की बात करता हूँ. आपके पेरेंट ने कहा गिफ्ट करने के लिए, उन्होंने कहा कि इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 95+ you will get a good gift, right? कंडीशन रख दिया कैसा कि जब आप 95+ आओगे तभी गिफ्ट मिलेगा. बट एक पेरेंट ने कहा बेटा गेट अ गुड मार्क्स, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू अ गिफ्ट. एंड गुड मार्क्स वी नो इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 80%. मीन्स उन्होंने कंडीशन नहीं रखा बट कहा कि गेट अ गुड मार्क्स, राइट? सो आप 82, 85, 88, 89, 90, 91, whatever you are going to achieve, you are getting a gift. एक कंडीशनल, एक अनकंडीशनल. अनकंडीशनल में कोई कंडीशन नहीं है, हम तुम फेल हो पास हो कुछ नहीं मतलब है, हर साल तुम चेंज करोगे साल अपनी, मैं तुमको गिफ्ट करूंगा, अनकंडीशनल। और हम सिंपली बोले कि एक कंडीशन होती है कि पेरेंट ने कहा कि दिस इज कोरोना पीरियड, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गो आउट, इट्स अ कंडीशन, कोरोना इज अ कंडीशन। बट नॉर्मल डे से आप कभी भी छत पे निकल जाते हो, ग्राउंड में निकल जाते हो, बाहर निकल जाते हो। Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is conditional and unconditional. And if you have gone through the chapter, any query if you are having, now it's a session for 5 minutes just to clear your doubts, and this is conversation session. One by one, like this, I will tell your name, you can ask the question. Anyone? Yes, Shweta.
So I'm not clear with script mode.
Script mode is simple, where the sequence of all the instructions we are going to compile and we are saving it in a file, and when we run it, the complete set of statements, they are going to be executed one by one, and the complete result we are getting. It is not going to be interactive, means after every command we are getting the result. The set of commands we have written, जहां हम सारे कमांड्स को कंपाइल कर लेते हैं, दैट बिकम्स स्क्रिप्ट मोड। स्क्रिप्ट मतलब जहां पूरा पूरा काम लिखना, राइट? एंड क्लियर श्वेता? श्वेता, ओके, नेक्स्ट हु इज गोइंग टू आस्क? निमिषा।
Sir, can you explain single line comment and multi-line comment?
Single, acha, comment you have seen. Single line comment, what is? You can read it. Just read for everyone.
Single line comments are created by beginning a line with the hash character and automatically terminated at the end of the line.
Okay, means single line comment. Whenever we are going to write the script, the first, it is the line, right? As soon as we are going to change the line, it is terminated, and comments are never seen on our output. These are in the script mode only, means it is for the single line. Nikhil Kumar, don't see your palm and everything, see your face only, right? And multi-line commands are those commands you can see here. Your program need to explain things in more detail. Wherever detailing is required, then we use multi-line commands, right? This
Yes, sir.
quotation, if we are going to use quotation, that can be written for so many lines, right? और वहां सिंगल लाइन हैश के थ्रू हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट, एनीवन?
Thank you,
Sir, I
sir.
want to ask.
हाँ, who?
Sir, I want to ask.
आत्म प्रकाश?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ask.
Sir, one programming you have done on infinite numbers, that the numbers are coming again and again, it is not stopping.
It is
So,
not
sir, how
stopping.
it's possible?
It is not going to stop. You are saying
Yes, sir.
Control C. I told you
No, sir, I want to ask that how the numbers are coming.
how the
How
number.
it's
In that you can see, you have seen that we use the loop. Suppose for the first time the value of C is 1. Suppose I have taken the value of C is 1. If I'm going to print it, C, its value is 1, and in another variable I have taken C equal to C plus 1. When it moves to this statement, now what will happen? The value of C is 1. Now 1 plus 1, C become 2. So it will print 2. Then
Yes.
and it will come to here, 2 plus 1, 3. Likewise, it is making a loop over there, and as soon as we are making the loop continues. When the loop continues, the printing is going on. अगर कंडीशन इसमें लगा दे तो वहीं पे स्टॉप हो जाता है। अगर कंडीशन नहीं है तो इट विल गो फॉर अनलिमिटेड टाइम्स। क्लियर आत्म प्रकाश? काउंटर इज यूज्ड ओवर हियर,
Yes, sir.
काउंटर इंक्रीजेस बाय 1। हाँ अलंकृता,
Sir, can you explain float data type once again?
float data means wherever decimal is going to be used. Suppose I am going to in integer, I have taken integer value. Suppose I want to put the value 95.75. It will take only 95 because integer it takes only whole numbers. If I have taken float,
Yes, sir.
there also we can define number of decimal places, right? So when we write 95.75, it will take 95.75 because it's a floating, decimal is included over there. Clear? Alankrita, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Who is going to ask?
Sir, can I ask question from HTML?
अच्छा, HTML आपने पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया ना? एक लेक्चर हुआ भी है ना? चलिए पूछिए
sir.
HTML से।
Sir, you सर सब चीज में आप वो स्टॉप कर रहे थे, मतलब जैसे HTML लिख रहे थे तो लास्ट में HTML में स्लैश लगा के उसको क्लोज कर दे रहे थे।
मैंने क्या बोला था? डॉक्यूमेंट टैग जब उसमें बताया था तो डॉक्यूमेंट टैग्स में हमने बोला था डॉक्यूमेंट टैग्स आर दे आर कंटेनर टैग्स। Document tags, basic document tags, they are container tags. Whenever they are going to open, it has to be closed. If we are not going to close
So sir,
it,
why have you not closed that paragraph?
paragraph is empty tag. Empty
Okay,
tag
sir.
do not have their closing tag. Tag भी तो बताया था, opening and closing. Sorry, empty and container. बोला था उसमें, वीडियो में था ना ये भी
Yes, sir.
स्लाइड एक।
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, next, Muskan Maurya. Any question, any doubt regarding Python? Because next, in our next Zoom class, we will go for the next Python chapter. It's my request, whenever you are having your Zoom class, you must prepare by yourself also. आप कुछ तैयार करके बैठो ताकि आप अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को मेरे सामने उठा के आंसर पा सके। Is it clear to everyone?
Sir,
Yes,
I have one more.
sir.
हाँ आत्म प्रकाश, because we are having only 2 minutes.
Thanks. The time
So
is
can
over.
I ask
हाँ yes.
or next time?
Next time पूछ लेना HTML
In
से।
next
Sir,
class.
how can we add?
Ask in next class. The
How
time
can we
is
add?
over.
sir. Time is over.
I know. आत्म प्रकाश, what you are saying?
How can we add pictures in HTML?
वो अभी पढ़ाएंगे बेटा, आगे चलेंगे तो ना। पिक्चर्स अभी हम लोग इमेज टैग का यूज करेंगे। इमेज टैग से कैसे हम पिक्चर ऐड करते हैं वो सारी चीज बताएंगे। पूरे बैकग्राउंड में चाहिए या छोटी फोटो चाहिए, एवरीथिंग आई विल टेल। डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट वन।
Okay, sir.
नाउ एनीवन, एनी क्वेश्चन?
Okay, sir.
नो?
No, sir.
Very
No,
soon
sir.
your
No, sir.
very soon your next UT test is going to be organized, so prepare well for that one. You have got your syllabus for unit test in app, it has been given.
Yes, sir.
Group में भी मैंने भेज दिया था। You got everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, yes,
Start
sir.
with-
The blueprint.
and start preparing. Next Zoom class again it will be on Python, but the second chapter, looping statements we will see. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, we
sir.
will make
Yes,
we
sir.
will meet in the next class. Till then, Jai Hind, bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye bye, bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Have a good day, you all.
Bye, sir.